components are available. Now we move forward in the assembly process. Step 1. Take the 2E plastic bases and 2F black tubes. Insert tubes F into base E. Then set the assemble unit on its end and press down on base with both hands to assure the tubes are inserted 100% into the bases. This insert line shows how deep the tubes need to be inserted into base E. Step 2. Take the 2G tubes and insert into the E bases. Ensure the housing parts G are on top and facing inward. The insert line shows how deep the tubes should be inserted into E bases. Step 3. Take 2 C1 plastic connectors, 2 C2 plastic connectors, and 1 I tube. Insert connector C2 onto tube I. The larger end of C2 will be closet to outside of tube. Next, insert connector C1 onto tube I. Smaller diameter hole will be facing upwards. Do not tighten C2 onto C1 this time. Step 4. Insert connector C1 onto tubes G. Do not tighten part C2 onto part C1 at this time. Step 5. Take the 2 H tubes, insert tubes H through connector C1. Align the holes of tubes G with the push pins of tubes H. Then tighten connector C2 onto C1. Keep both ends of tube I touching the connector C1 when tighten connector C2 onto C1. Step 6. Take 1A plastic connector, 1B plastic connector, 1J tube, 2K tubes, and 2 L ends caps. Open locks on connectors A and B and insert tubes J and K into A and B. Then insert caps L into K into the ends of connectors of A and B. Then close the locks. Step 7. Insert connectors A and B onto tubes H. Tubes K do not extend past insert line. Step 8. Take the 4D casters and insert casters D into bases E. You have now successfully completed assembling of your garment rack. You are now ready to start organizing your closet. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or advices, feel free to contact us by email or hotline.